Hi everyone, here's part 2 of my science lesson. So last week we were talking about how rotational motion or spinning can change the appearance of certain lines or colors. So a lot of you did great postings and showed me a lot of neat results, primarily knowing the fact that when you added the second disc, the yellow one, to go with the red disc, that the spinning top with the extra mass actually could spin longer. A lot of you couldn't find your little straws, but found that if you didn't have a straw, it's going to be pretty hard to make it spin. Kudos to my friend Nico in my classroom, who found that if he stuck the end of his paintbrush into the hole of the red disc, he could get it to work. But I want to show you the before. So first we have our disc here, or our picture here, that just has lines going across. I did purple and orange. We have this one that just has all the little circles kind of going from the inside out. And then we have the last one that was the black and white. And if you look at the black and white one here, notice the lines. The lines are not connected, are they? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what happens when you add the spinning motion. And pardon me for poor video quality. I'm doing this on my own, so I'm my own camera person as well as the teacher, so it's a challenge. So I just put, notice how I put it, it's on the top. Now if it doesn't stay on the top very well for you, you can always put a little bit of tape in between, but let's look at it from the top. I'm going to get my hand out of the way, and we have it half and half with the lines not connected. But when we add the spinning motion, here we go. Can you see it? It makes all of the lines, the motion, this rotational motion, blends the lines together. So now that they are complete little concentric circles. So it's not just half black, half white, and I put green, almost like a mesmerizing type of thing, like it's trying to hypnotize you. But the spinning motion actually helps connect the lines, and it turns it all into one general color. Now, here's my next one, in which I'm putting my camera down, my phone down, so it's dark. We're watching a Black Cat at Midnight right now. All right, Black Cat at Midnight's back, or gone. Here we've got our next one. I had the two different colors with just straight lines. Again, we do not have lines anymore that are going outwards, but we have those round circle inside of a circle inside of a circle. It's not as easy to see with this one. So it's kind of neat how it just blends the colors together. It blends and makes those concentric circles, the circles inside of the circles. And then finally, last but not least, oh, now we've got Black Bear in his dark cave. We have the little circles that go from the inside to the out. Let's see what happens when we add rotational motion there. Again, look at that. We don't have little circles anymore. Or we have lines that make single circles inside of circles inside of circles. So a concentric circle, like a target. So that was what I was hoping that you would see when you added the spinning motion to the 3 different colored discs. So if you have a chance, if you want to redo the experiment and see for yourself what happens, if you already recycled the little pieces of paper, you can get any sort of piece of paper and just kind of trace around the outside of your disc and make your own. But I thought it would be good just to show you that is the actual results of when you add spinning motion to the circles that we had. So hope you enjoyed this little PS lesson, just to kind of show you some results, because I wanted to make sure that you noticed that, because I know a lot of you didn't get to see those same results yourself. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great time at Science Today.